What's going on, guys? In this tutorial I want to talk about indentation in programming. So we are going to continue from where we left from the last section. So I already have the file opened over here, and when we look at indentation is as simple as alignment. Okay, when you open Microsoft say Word, you know how to align text to various positions like center, maybe left, right, and that. Okay, and we are going to adapt the same principle or idea in our coding skills. Okay, yeah, so basically what we are going to do with indentation is we are going to try and then align kind of codes or elements or tags within the same container at a particular position. Now this is what I mean. Now if you look at this, everything over here belongs to the HTML container. If I take it out, you can see that this is the big container, and within this big container we can decide to put everything over here, and this is whatever thing we are really interested in. So if we talk about indentation, we don't want all of these elements to be on the same line or column as the outer container, which is the HTML. We want to try and then shift this one in there a bit, like there's not a test editor, so it's really annoying. So let me see, I'm pushing this one here a bit. Okay, and you can see that this is the HTML and the outer one is outside, whilst everything inside or within the closet of HTML are kind of pushed a bit forward. Okay, and they are all on the same line because they are all on the same level. Okay, you can see that the head is on the same level as the body, but then the title is not at the same level as the head or the body, because we can see this guy here a kind of say second level. If this is, we are going to call this one first level, you can see this is a second level, this is also a second level. But look at this one here is a third level because it finds itself within the tags of head and then HTML. I hope you understand that. Okay, so given that this one here and this one here are not on the same level, I would want to push this one in a bit. So let me try and then take this one out like this, and you can see that I have my HTML. Let me push this one in also a bit, something like this. But when we're using any text editor, it's going to help us. Okay, we'll not be going through the manual steps, doing one by one like this, because it's really annoying. Okay, now you can see that this is the outer one or the top level, and this is kind of a second level one, same as this one. So if this is not part of the second level, we'll try to push it in there. And look at this one, this is also not part of the second level, so we'll try and then push it in there. Okay, now let me take this one out, and now you can see that the code becomes more readable and easy to understand. We have the first level over here, which is this. We have the head, which is on the same level as the body. Now we have some element in here which is not on the same level as this. Now imagine we had another element over here that would have pushed that one inside. Okay, so let's use the body as an example. I want to take this one here out. We have a particular tag called P, and it's for a paragraph. So let me put this particular text over here, and I can decide to copy everything over here. We'll talk about paragraphing, so don't worry so much about that. And you can see that the codes become much readable over here, because we have HTML being the outer one, we have head over here, and the title is within the head tag, and the body has got two paragraph text. Okay, so this is what we refer to as indentation, and we are going to use it. Using it helps a lot. It helps in debugging, kind of trying to fix errors in your code. We'll talk about that in moments when we're talking about PHP and then JavaScript programming. Okay, so stay with me. Let's move on to the next tutorial. Thank you.